Yes, good morning, doctor. Nobody has joined yet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Chand Basaya, he is traveling anywhere
Acha.
for, he will see, but he will not participate.
The others?
The others should come. It is a
Mhm.
block for them if they are not able to come in time.
Okay.
That has to be exactly it is 7, na?
Yeah.
So I think we should respect time. Money is time. We'll start.
Okay.
I'll start with this 1 minute and let everybody join. So you want to today? Hamishra is coming. Yeah. Good morning, Mishra ji. Good morning. Mishra ji, can you hear me?
Anaya?
Yes, Mishra ji.
Anaya?
You can read now prosperity prayer. Can you hear Mishra ji? Okay, he's not able to hear. I will hear prosperity prayer, and then Dr. Juliet, you only read because it will give you more power. The rest of this. So we'll start with the prosperity prayer. I thank the universe for the wonderful gift of life which I value and cherish. I have a deep gratitude and respect for the money that life has offered me. Prosperity is my birthright and I will claim it with my heart and mind. Deep down, I am aware that I am born to be rich. I love money and I am open to receive all abundance and prosperity. Everything that I desire flows effortlessly towards me. I love my work and business through which I offer a wonderful service. Every day is an opportunity to meet good people and spread joy. I look at each day with hope and know that it would be a great day. Daily, I create miracles for myself and also for others. I attract in plenty, I spend joyfully, and have a huge savings. I am guided to make choices that are beneficial for me. I rejoice in others' success knowing that there is a plenty for all of us. I attract wonderful people and excellent opportunities. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. I am fully contented and all is happy in my world. In this beautiful universe where I live in, everything is whole, complete, and perfect. Now we'll go to our affirmations. So, Mishra ji, are you ready now? Ready to read? Yes, start. Unmute, unmute. Unmute कर देना हाँ.
Yeah, good morning, madam.
Good morning.
I earn massive passive income. I earn more than enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I set up vehicles and systems to work instead of me. I get paid based on the value I provide without my labor. I love making money while I sleep, play, or am on vacation. I love making money while I sleep, play, or am on vacation. The less I work, the more I earn. Excellent passive income opportunity always come my way. I appreciate all the free time and money I have. I am financially free. I work because I have to. I'm financially free. I work because have to. I never have to work again.
Now mind game. Yeah.
I create my life. I create the exact amount of my financial success. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance. I admire and model rich and successful people. I believe money is important, money is freedom, and make life more enjoyable. I get rich doing what I love. I deserve to be rich because I add value to other people's lives. I am a generous giver and an excellent receiver. I am truly grateful for all the money I have now. Lucrative opportunity always come my way. My capabilities, my capacity to earn, hold, and grow money expands day by day.
Now winning the money game.
I am an excellent money manager. I always pay myself first. I put money into my TWCGO accounts every week. My money works hard for me and makes me more and more money. I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I am financially free. I work because I choose to work, not because I have to. My part-time business is managing and investing my money and creating passive income streams.
Secrets of Millionaire Mind.
My inner world creates my outer world. I observe my thought. I observe my thoughts and entertain only those that empower me. I release my non-supportive money experiences from the past. I release my non-supportive money experiences from the past and create a new and rich future. I create the exact level of my financial success. My goal is to become a billionaire and more. I think big. I choose to help thousands and thousands of people. I promote my value to others and with passion and enthusiasm. I'm an excellent receiver. I'm open and willing to receive massive amount of money into my life. I'm committed to constantly learn and grow.
This law of attraction affirmations on wealth.
I'm wealthy and money comes to me easily. I'm wealthy and money comes to me easily. Money is attracted to me in all that I do. The money that always show up in my life is always used in an inspirational way. It is so easy for me to attract wealth and prosperity. I don't even have to think about it. The true wealth that I easily attain allows me to express the best within my soul. I enjoy the amount of money and prosperity that is constantly attracted into my life. When I think about how easily money comes into my life, I am comforted. Money is amazing because it allows me to be who I really want to be. Wealth is always simple to attain in my life, and I have plenty of time for the other endeavors. I'm quite simply a money magnet. Riches are constantly on their way to me. I can afford to be, do, or have nothing. I can afford to be, do, or have anything that allows me to express the greatest version of myself. I'm always wealthy. I'm always wealthy and secure when it comes to my bank account is loaded with all of the money that I will ever need. It is simple for me to keep an overflowing bank account that allows me to do what my soul desires. Though wealth, my spirit expresses the best version of itself. I have always found it simple to attract whatever money that I need into my life. I'm a force that money is attracted to. I'm grateful for the money that constantly is showing up within my life. I attract wealth and prosperity on a daily basis. My mind is wired for attracting wealth. Financial security is always within my life. My income extends that amount of joy that I can experience within my life. I'm so happy that I constantly attracting money to myself. Money shows up through both expected and unexpected methods. I consistently welcome wealth into my life. My brain is a magnet for prosperity in all that I do.
Last, gratitude affirmation.
Thank you for this new day. I am filled with happiness and gratitude. I am grateful for another chance to live my life. I am grateful to feel the air in my lungs and the beating of my heart. I am thankful simply for being alive. Thankfulness, appreciation, and sincere. I am grateful for who I am and for what I have. I invite gratitude into my heart. Today, I will have an attitude of gratitude. Thank you for the blessings this day will bring.
Yeah, thank you. So how did you feel?
Thank you very much. Fantastic, fantastic, madam.
Yeah,
Excellent.
whenever you
Yeah.
are talking to yourself, and every day when you will do, it will make a different sense and it will bring out a deep feeling from inside. So I given this homework whenever you are having time in this 30 days, especially on Saturday, Sunday, please you talk it to yourself in a loud and record that on this recorder and
Right.
keep on hearing, because
Yeah.
the money or whatever it may be, thoughts, feeling, actions and results, TFAR formula. So if we are constantly hearing these, no, So that thoughts will create a different positive feelings. That's the reason we are taking it 30 days. So in 30 days, it will be imbibed in your subconscious mind. And you will see on 30th day, you will be a different person. You can feel yourself. Now,
Yeah,
your
sure.
energy is increasing when you are reading.
Sure.
We are reading it along with you or before or after you. Speed is different for everyone. Don't
Right.
just go with the flow. Even if
Right.
you're reading it here every day, it's okay. So I'll start sharing this now.
Thank you very much.
So welcome to the Millionaire Mind Frequency class, the advanced 30 days. I'm just repeating so that anything, if you have missed something, you will know that. So this is the pre-preparation video. You have everything now. 21-day affirmation. If you are not done, just make a note. What happens when you do it repeatedly, you know that something is missing. If you have not prepared your goal card, you just make a goal card in one small paper, color paper, whatever, chota sa card rahega, whatever is there. You just see that I earn this much per month. Consistently is important. Consistently. On a total autopilot mode, doing what I love, helping millions of people. Whatever it comes to your mind, maybe you are having something different, but you just write it, the result. So usually this first 15 minutes will go into the prosperity prayer and affirmations. So if you have come late, you have not missed much. Now we'll come to the release statement and meditation and that currency exercise and whatever exercise I'll give. So day one, we started with the declutter. You have written your 5 money mistakes. If you have not done, please go through that. And 10 words about the money and time freedom to you. If you have not listened to the money lessons video, it's a 7 minutes only. Need for money. Why you need money? Because it comes from that Shastra only. And money consciousness exercise everybody has done. We did prayer meditation. Day 2, yesterday, again, you have worked on your 5 money blocks. What you think? You just write it down because then after 3-4 days, we'll take a sharing. Day 2 video, I have already sent. If you are not work on your money blueprint, just to know yourself, you are how much are your total assets. Even if it is 0, even if it is minus, don't worry. At least you have come to know what are your assets, liabilities and all that. It is just for you, not to declare to us. It is for realization only. Yesterday, have you gone through that strangest secret by Earth Nightingale? I have given a video, YouTube link also, and I have given a PDF notes also. If you are not able to spend 30 minutes, at least if you go through that notes, that is also, it is so powerful, and so many things are there from Bible, especially those 3-4 sentences. Dr. Juliet, have you gone through that?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Yeah. So specifically, they have given from Bible, no? And the money, like, what do you feel about money? So that is important, and this exercise. Now this is day 3, but I'm not able to remove that day 2. So again, your declutter will go on. Now today's meditation is yes, no meditation. And then we'll go through our currency exercise, taking currency in hand and showing those 5 feelings every day. So every day you will see that it is increasing. Your respect, your gratitude, your love towards money is increasing because you are going through all dimensions. You are reading about money, what book I am telling you. You are visualizing those images which I have given. You are hearing to affirmations. We are doing affirmations. You are feeling vibrations here. So this is the release statement for today, which I given in this. I release resistance to release the fear of failure and fear of success from my life. क्या होता है? Sometimes you don't take actions because you feel if I fail, what will happen? Or sometimes we don't take the things because you know कि there is too much of responsibility. If I become so much of successful, whatever image you have about anybody, they are giving so much time or they are having whatever. So fear of failure and fear of success is also there. So you have to release the resistance to release the fear of failure and fear of success from my life. So just close your eyes and listen what I'm saying. I release, just see that something is going out of your body. I release the resistance to release the fear of failure and fear of success from my life. I release the resistance to release fear of failure and fear of success from my life. I release resistance to release fear of failure and fear of success from my life. So even if we are hearing this about the affirmations, but sometimes we don't want to release only. We are resisting. So that's why this affirmation is there. Ki I release the resistance. Somewhat we have inside. So this is a release statement. Now straight away we'll go to money attachment. This money meditation. So today's meditation is yes and no meditation. So first I will just explain, and as usual you will just close your eyes and do that. And all this how to do this meditations will be given in the manual later on. So whenever you feel, every week once meditation you can do it. So yes, now meditation. So right now I'm going to tell you one of the money habits which you want to break. Now you are realized, you have gone through the money consciousness program and you know something is wrong with you. You identified yourself, don't have to declare. So this is the money habit I want to break. Maybe you are handling money very badly. You are taking money and just dumping, whatever it may be. Habit, money mistake you must have identified na, on the first day. So you are going to break that habit. So which is that habit, you know, and which is the positive habit now you want to develop. You have gone through that, you have learned something and you have noted yourself, okay, now I will need to change this. Maybe I will change my purse, or maybe I'll arrange this, whatever. So which is the new habit, you are going to take it. So you just see yourself and then whatever instructions I am giving, you just follow that. So we will go through yes, no meditation. So we are going to inculcate new habit and we are going to remove one negative habit. So close your eyes. All of you close your eyes. Take a deep breath inside. Exhale. Again take a deep breath. Exhale. Just again take a deep breath and exhale. Now find out one of the money habit which you want to break. Maybe the specific situation in your life, the past experiences you had. Go little deep down with your emotions. What the bad experience you had with money. Somebody had cheated you, you had a loss, or you did some money mistakes for which you were holding you responsible, you were feeling guilty of yourself. So what was that negative feeling about money? Maybe the fear, maybe the insult, humiliation. Just go deep down and experience that emotion you had in the past and keep saying no, no, I don't want that. Go deeper, experience that bad feeling you had, or mistake or guilt feeling, fearful feeling, insulting, humiliation in your childhood, and say no, 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 I don't want that. No, no, like this you are hitting a rock with the hammer. No, no, no. See yourself hitting with the hammer on that rock and say no, no, no. You are breaking that emotion of guilt, insulting, humiliation, fear, loss, whatever the negative emotions you had or you have, you experienced in your childhood, whatever is coming into your mind, you are breaking with the hammer, hitting hard on the rock and say, no, no, no more in my life, no more in my life. Hit it hard, hit it hard, hit it hard, and say no, no, no. And you will see that slowly that rock is dissolving with your strong positive emotions, saying no, 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 hitting hard on that rock. The rock is slowly, slowly breaking down. If you can break that rock with your intention, if rock can break, such a past feeling can dissolve if you decide to. Just be there, just be there. Now you are coming into a very positive feeling. You've gone through the money consciousness. Now you want to have. So which is that positive emotions comes to you when you have lot of money. Maybe you will start crying when you have more than enough. That is gratitude. Maybe you will feel happy. You will feel powerful. You will start dancing. You will feel more energy. You will still feel more productivity. So see that the money is flowing to you more than you imagine. So what is that positive feeling will come to you when there is a more money? Maybe the happiness, more energy, more productivity, more activity. You will start crying, saying thank you. You will start dancing. You will start experiencing. You will start traveling. Whatever the positive feeling you have when you have money with you, the confidence, powerful, go deeper and say yes. You can say yes, yes. You can lift your hand, you can lift your both hands and say yes, yes, yes. Say yes to happiness, say yes to power, say yes to energy. You can feel yourself that money is coming to you and you are experiencing more positive feelings, more energy, more productivity, more actions, more happiness, more joy, more bliss, great relationship, more freedom. You feel like dancing, whatever it may be. Say yes, say yes, say yes. You can lift your hands and do the hand movements and say yes. Say yes. You are feeling powerful. You are feeling powerful. Be in that state, be in that state for a minute unless I tell you to open the eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly you can open your eyes. So you must have experience when I was taking through the experiences, you must have gone deep when I said bring back that negative emotion about the money you had in the past. You must have experience. But when we started breaking, if you decide to start breaking, it is with the awareness. When you know that it is not required, you start breaking. So it is NLP technique when it is acting, when you are visualizing, when you are hearing from me, you are experiencing that emotion and you are coming with the positive emotions, what you will experience when you have imaginary money. Right now we imagine more than you have. So what positive feelings you experience it, and suddenly there is a change in the emotional state of feeling. So you are removing the negative and you are bringing the positive. So this is a yes no meditation. So this you can do it once in a 2-3 months when you it is all process, no, ongoing process. In future also, maybe we are human, so we'll not have all perfect feelings all the time, but it is awareness. When you will have some negative experiences in future also, so you can do this, just remove that negative feeling and come with the positive feeling. So this is a yes, a no and yes, yes and no meditation. So all process will be given, no problem. So now lastly we'll do the currency exercise. So today's magic question is there on the notebook. You can write today. You are going to write about 5 negative habits which you have realized yourself. Which are the 5 negative habits? Maybe the overspending, I spend a lot, I don't keep properly, I don't keep a track of expenses, or I overspend, or I take lot of debts. You be yourself. You don't have to declare. It is a realization. So when I did these exercises, I really realized there was a because that time I was going through debt in 2007. So it was very okay for me to take more and more debts. So it was very status point for me. Okay, de do, loan de do, loan de do. So it had become an addiction. And then when I used to get loans from the bank, I used to utilize for expansion, but sometimes I used to overspend. Not on bad habits, but shopping. Shopping the clothes, shopping unnecessary things, so whatever it may be. And that time it realized कि taking debts, कर्जे में जाना is addiction. And that was a total shift in me, because that was very normal for me. Banks were giving loans, and because of that habit only I spent in having more loans, because suddenly when it came down, and that was a turning point for me, and now I'm debt free totally.
That's exactly where I am now, and that is why I'm doing this with you.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. I'll personally have a talk with you, Dr. Juliet.
Yeah.
We'll sort it out. Yeah, we'll have a specific rituals for coming out of debt. I can understand.
No, because I only seem
Ma'am,
to be taking it. So,
Yeah. And nothing to worry, because usually what happens, we don't share na, and we feel ashamed when we talk about it. And that is the only big problem.
okay.
Yeah, it's good.
ma'am, want
It's good, yeah, that you declared. So then I will attend you personally for that.
Yes, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
5 negative habits yourself, whatever overspending, disrespect, or more expenses, savings, whatever, everything is different for everyone. And
excuse me, ma'am.
yeah,
मैम ये जो जैसे 5 नेगेटिव हैबिट्स लिखनी है आज,
हाँ.
ब्लॉक्स लिखने थे या मिस्टेक्स लिखनी थी, तो ये ओवरलैप भी हो सकते हैं क्या? जैसे पैसे ठीक से ना रखना, ये मिस्टेक भी है,
See,
ये
डिफरेंस है
मतलब
थोड़ा सा. जैसे पहले दिन हमने बोला था 5 मनी मिस्टेक्स, तो 5 मनी
जी
मिस्टेक्स मीन्स यू रियलाइज कि हाँ वो टाइम पे मैंने मे बी यू मस्ट हैव इन्वेस्टेड रॉन्ग एंड लॉस हो गया, समथिंग लाइक दैट, निगोशिएशंस
हाँ
गलत
हाँ
समथिंग, और मैंने रॉन्ग प्रॉपर्टी बुक किया, वॉट एवर यू फील ना. मनी मिस्टेक्स. मनी ब्लॉक्स मीन्स क्या, यू नो दैट कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है मेरे को बहुत हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ता है पैसे आने के लिए, और यू माइट फील ओ मनी कम्स टू मी बट मनी गोज वेरी फास्ट फ्रॉम मी. जितना आता है उतना ही निकल जाता है, रुकता नहीं है ज़्यादा, थोड़ा सा ही रुकता है, ज़्यादा नहीं रुकता है, वॉट एवर. सो मनी ब्लॉक्स इज वॉट एवर द पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस यू हैव, और मे बी आई एम गिविंग द मनी, आई गिव इट टू समबडी, इट डज नॉट कम बैक टू मी. जिन लोगों को पैसा देती हूँ वापस कभी करता ही नहीं है मेरे को, उसको लगता है मेरे पास बहुत है तो ही डजंट रिटर्न. whatever the money blocks you have, no, so experiences. And this negative habits means now you have realized, after going through these exercises, you have realized yourself, oh, this is a negative habit, but I was not aware. The way you told कि okay मैं ऐसा ही रख देती थी उसको ना.
या
हाँ,
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
yeah. So write it yourself and it will become more and more clearer later on. So after 3-4 days again we'll have a exercise through that. And now today you are going to write 10 words, 10 images, 10 feelings, whatever the time and money freedoms to you. If time is not a problem, money is not a problem, what will come to you? So one word can be debt free also, no? Debt freedom, मुझे वो कर्जा नहीं चाहिए, ये भी आ सकता है. And what is that number? That is more important. Will give you security. Okay, if I have 1 crore in my bank, that will give you me the sense of security. Or maybe even if I have 10 lakhs fixed deposit, 50 lakhs fixed deposit, which I don't have to touch, will give you me the security. Whatever number comes to you, it is very, very important, because later on, after 1 week, we are going to come and create your future in present. and you will record. That is called manifesting future in the present, reality creation. That is a very powerful exercise you are going to have after 1 week. And that future, seeing your future in the present in your own voice, when you will hear it later on every day, that will give you energy and will remove all negative emotions. So money lessons, today's money lesson is money net worth. As I told you, I will be giving that YouTube link. It is a 5 to 7 minutes video where you will listen what is exactly network. इतना कैश आपके पास लिक्विफाई है तो कितना रिच और पुअर कहाँ जाता है, विच आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे ना. एंड मे बी आपकी इतनी एसेट्स है, प्रॉपर्टी है, जो है, तो इतना नेटवर्थ है आपका, तो कितना मीन्स रिच है, कितना मीन्स पुअर है, अल्ट्रा सुपर रिच मीन्स कितना है. सो यू विल लर्न इन दैट. एंड टुडे वी विल हैव आवर मनी पर्सनालिटी टाइप. Today's Millionaire Mind Frequency Manual, you know your personality, which I have already given no in Money Manual. आप सोल्जर है क्या, क्या है?
किंग है.
Your
किंग.
personality type, yourself. You can write it later. ये exercise किया था आपने earlier?
यस यस.
हाँ, so you can write your personality and decide where you want to change to which personality. You are a soldier or officer or commander. You may be soldier, officer or commander right now.
Yeah.
Definitely decide whether you want to become a king or emperor. Right now you just decide and then we'll see later. Because when you will see today's video and you will understand how the definition of the financial organization or Swiss organization, Swiss bank and RBI, means we can say the Reserve Bank of India in India, or World Bank of Commerce and Swiss bank, how they decide richness means क्या होता है. There are certain figures which you will hear in the video. दो चीज पे किया जाता है कि आपके पास कितना लिक्विफाई, इमीडिएटली अभी इमरजेंसी आ गया तो लिक्विफाई करने के लिए कितना कैश है. On that your richness status is decided. And the second thing, जो assets है आपके पास में, वो थोड़ा सा बाद में आप नेटवर्थ बोलते हैं उसको, उसके ऊपर है. So you decide, it is just a realization, you are a soldier, officer or a commander, and decide you want to become a king or emperor. So this is the exercise and money personality. So if you are not able to write, because it takes time to write those 5 money blocks, 5 money mistakes. So I have just explained here, but you can continue the homework there. So we'll go through the exercise now. Take your currency note, the same currency note. Just close your eyes, just feel it. Feel the money, feel the texture, see the number. Afterwards you will see the same note, no? So you will remember उसका figure number क्या है, वो भी याद हो जाएगा आपको. Left side पे जो number रहता है. So you are showing gratitude, you are showing respect for the money. Thank you money, you are showing respect for asking the forgiveness. Sorry for my all past mistakes. Thank you for the money I had. Thank you for the money I have. Thank you for the money I am going to have. Show the respect. Ask for the forgiveness. Sorry for my past mistakes. I will respect you. Love the money. I feel more happiness when you are with me, so don't go away from me. Show the confidence, and there is abundant. Only thing is now you have to develop the skills and see that the money is flowing towards you. So 5 feelings, showing the
No, I'll call you in 5
you
minutes.
have, showing the respect for the money,
Hello.
asking for the forgiveness, love money, feel money, feel you are feeling confident in handling money because you are learning the skills of earning and managing, which you never had, and the money is flowing to you. It is little away from you want, but it is coming towards you from the source. worry how it is coming, but it is coming from the source. Right now, you don't know how it will come, but it is your strong intention and desire. It will come to you, and the power, the universal power, will give you the power and those skills and generation skills and management skills to bear that abundance. Yes, you can open your eyes. So this is your today's homework. Today's money book is there, The Think and Grow Rich. If you have that book, it's okay. Otherwise, anyway, I have provided you with the link of all money books. But today also I will be giving a link of only this book, where you have to read page 35, because it is a long book and it is a very lengthy book. But even if you go through the chapter names, there are 12 desires, 12 things they have explained in Think and Grow Rich. So the chapter names, 12 chapters, just go through the names. That will make a lot of sense. These are the 12 principles for Think and Grow Rich. And go through page 35, where they have given a formula and which has been used by all millionaires and billionaires when they are going through this process, which anyway we will go through in reality creation. But just for your knowledge, you just go through this. You are listening to the week 1 frequency that will remove all blocks. You are seeing the video. Yes, listening to audio before sleep. We have done all activity rituals in the class. Money lessons is money net worth. We have done the manual exercise of money personality, which is very small exercise, you know that. And the same declutter process will go on. So are you, everybody is okay with the homework completed or they are incomplete? Anybody is lagging behind?
No, I have completed.
Okay, great, great. Even if you are not completed, just say I'm not, and then you do it today, no problem. Day 3. Only thing is you have to give more time. Or maybe if somebody is lagging behind, we'll give 1 day break. No homework.
मैम मेरा बचा है थोड़ा सा.
Okay, okay, okay. Miss, no, this listening and that is an ongoing process. Only the homework.
नहीं मैम,
Yeah.
लिसनिंग हो गया है, मनी ब्लॉक्स लिखने के बचे हैं बस.
Okay, okay. हाँ, that's what I'm telling you. You listening and वो चालू है. Only thing is homework.
वो जी, या मैम, या.
That takes time. Yeah, 5 money blocks, 5
Yeah.
money mistakes. Writing that, it takes
Yes,
time. So maybe you can complete it today, or we'll take one.
Yes, ma'am.
break लेंगे बस. But reading book कर
No.
देना, because it will take only 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, मैम. नो मैम, या.
Every day. So all angles से जाता है ना, all this NLP technique for money, that you are reading about money, you are listening about, feeling about money, you are learning about money. So money हो जाता है. So slowly it is a process. So don't worry, all the issues now you will learn so much about money, everything, some words about money, money laundering, money fraud, everything about money. So much is there about money, laws of money, debts, how the debt feeling is there, frequency कैसे होती, क्यों आते हैं debts में, everything will be covered. So just go with the flow. You will get, you never imagined about money. Money is a big science. Even I was amazed when I attended the workshops, no? So much to learn. And in fact,
मैम ये जो हम कर,
I learned in so much in 2007, and it took me 3-4 years to come to the normal from the debts. It took me 3 to 4 years to come to like minus debts or debts zero आने के लिए freedom आने time लगा, but it is a lot of transformation. And after that I have grown. I was very illiterate, और ladies को तो इतना रहता ही नहीं है कुछ, and especially doctors को तो illiterate रहते financially, बस कमाना मालूम होता है. And so much is journey. That's why I have taken it this. ये education देना बहुत जरूरी है money का. In detail. Even if, don't worry, even I attended the first workshop, so they told ki there is so much, but even if one thing you grasp, and it will make a change in your life. So don't worry कि मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया, this is bouncer for me. Just go through it. The way you go through class, everything we don't grasp. No, so it's like that. Yes, you wanted to ask Dr.
या मैम
Yes.
ये जो फ्रीक्वेंसी सुनते हैं इससे हमारे जो मतलब अपने जो हमारे पैसे जैसे समझ लीजिए मैं किसी को
नहीं, आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है, आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
मैं ऑडिबल
नहीं, यू आर ऑडिबल बट इन बिटवीन वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है.
ओके देन मुझे पूछना था ये जो frequencies हम सुनते हैं ये जो ऑडियोज हम सुनते हैं इनके जो पैसे कई पूरे होते हैं जैसे
हाँ.
किसी को हमने रजिस्ट्री के लिए दिए किसी काम के लिए दिए उन्होंने अभी तक हमें वापस नहीं किया क्या वो निकल जाते
इतना ही सुनाई दिया मुझे आपने कि किसी को पैसे देते हैं तो समझ में नहीं आया. रजिस्ट्रेशन के पैसे.
रजिस्ट्री के लिए किसी को पैसे दिए या किसी काम के लिए किसी को पैसे दिए जो
हाँ.
उन्होंने वापस किए या ये जो फ्रीक्वेंसी सुनते हैं इससे वो भी क्लियर हो जाता है
नहीं एग्जैक्टली समझ में आया मुझे, इससे क्लियर.
ओके आई विल
हाँ हाँ, यू कॉल, बट थोड़ा कुछ समझ में आया कि वेन एवर यू आर गिविंग मनी एंड दे डोंट रिटर्न और दे रिटर्न.
नहीं मैडम, मैं बोलूं क्या बोल रही हैं?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बताओ.
एक्चुअली ये बोल रही हैं कि अगर इन्होंने पैसे किसी को दिए कोई प्लॉट या फ्लैट की रजिस्ट्री के लिए,
हाँ.
तो वो पैसे वापस आते हैं क्या ये ब्लॉक से? मतलब
Yes,
ये
yes,
जो सुनने के
definitely. If you have got block money or stuck money, we have a different ritual for that. We will do that.
ओके ओके मैम
If you want to come out of depth also, there is a different ritual because everything is thought and feeling and frequency. So we will talk about that, and even if there is a stuck money, depth is different. ना कर्जा different है.
या
Stuck money है, ये किसी के पास अटक गया है, उनसे रिकवर करना है. You want to recover your stuck money, so there is a different prayer and ritual for that. So we'll do that.
ओके ओके मैम
Definitely it will come because when there is a change in feeling, no, when you will understand the money flow, there will be change in your feelings. So you will not have anger and frustration on him. In fact, you will start praying कि उसको हो जाए, उसको एक wisdom आ जाए कि मेरा पैसा दे दे, and then it will start coming. So I will tell you exactly ritual and specific prayer to recover your lost money and to come out of debt as it comes.
ओके मैम
हाँ.
थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू सो मच
Okay. So if you have any specific financial issue, no, तो till it comes, maybe you will not have patience. So आपका जो personalized issue है, issue means whatever situation कि इनका नहीं है, किसी का डेप्थ है, तो you write me on personal window. So specific मैं आप specific अलग से देती हूँ. So you will start doing that till it becomes
Okay.
our 30 days, है ना? So you will not have to wait for that. Yes.
ओके मैम थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू
See you. So do your homework and we'll meet tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.